Hi everyone, my name is Carlos Vasquez and I'm the CEO and founder of Miami EdTech. At Miami EdTech, we focus on providing the community with digital literacy, professional development, and also helping schools launch computer science to help the students really prepare for today's ever-changing global economy. Over the past 5 weeks, we've been working with a cohort here at Miami Workers Center where we've been teaching them the fundamentals of digital literacy and how to navigate the internet safely. Students have learned things like how to set up an email account, how to create a profile on Gmail, and also important things like how to find a job online. These are very important skills that unfortunately do not often make it to our community. At Miami EdTech, we're focused on helping and enabling local organizations to better support their communities around digital literacy.